In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order on Dhgate. Start by opening the DHgate app or going to dhgate.com in your browser. If you already have an account, log in. If you're new, tap sign up and create your account so your orders and addresses can be saved for faster checkout next time. Next, search for what you want using the search bar at the top. Type the product name or a few keywords, then refine the results with filters like price, rating, number of orders, and reviews. This helps you narrow down to reliable listings. Always take a moment to check reviews with photos. Real buyer images and recent comments will show the actual quality, color, and sizing far better than stock photos. When you find a promising item, open the product page and evaluate the seller. Look at the star rating, the number of orders, and buyer reviews to gauge consistency. Scroll down to read the full product details, including materials, sizing charts, what's included, and any notes on returns. The more complete and transparent the description, the better. Now choose your product options. Select the color, size, and quantity that fit your needs. Pick a shipping method and confirm the delivery time and cost. Economy shipping is usually cheaper, but slower, while express options cost more and arrive sooner. Make sure the estimated delivery window works for you. Decide whether to add the item to your cart or buy it right away. Add to cart is great if you want to keep shopping or compare a few sellers. Buy now takes you straight to checkout. At checkout, enter or confirm your shipping address. You can select an existing address or tap Add New Address to create one. Carefully double-check your street, apartment number, city, postal code, and phone details. Incorrect address information commonly leads to delivery problems, so it's worth a quick review. Choose your payment method. Depending on your location and the seller, you may see options like credit or debit card, PayPal, or DHgate balance and coupons. Payment methods can vary by seller and country, and coupons can often be applied right on the checkout page to reduce the total. Before paying, review everything: the item, selected options, shipping method, delivery estimate, and the full price including shipping and any taxes or fees. When it all looks right, tap Place Order or Pay Now. After payment, your order will show as awaiting shipment. Many sellers ship within 1 to 7 days. Once shipped, go to My Orders, open your order, and select Track Shipment to follow the package. Tracking updates may take time to appear, so be patient. That's it. You're ready to order confidently on DHgate.